Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot VIVO X300 Pro. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now the menu appears. And now we have this bar in the middle, swipe right to restart, so that's the thing that we need to do. Simply grab it, slide to the right side, now release your finger. You can see that the VIVO logo disappeared. Now simply wait a few seconds. Your device will be turned on automatically. Also, I will tell you that performing a reboot from time to time is good for your device health and its performance. It can expand its lifespan. And also during my day-to-day use of this device, once I had a problem that one of my apps didn't want to launch. That was the moment when I have performed a reboot, and also it helped. So performing a reboot can also solve problems, for example, with your apps. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.